Wetsuit repair can be as easy as an iron and a patch with the Tenacious Tape Iron-On Neoprene Patch. Within minutes, you'll have a nearly invisible repair that flexes with your wetsuit. To use, start with a clean surface and preheat an iron to medium heat. Cut the patch and place over the damaged area. Cover the patch with the heat-shielding paper and press down on the iron and hold. Rotate the iron and repeat. Let it cool for a few minutes before testing. Once cooled, you'll have a strong patch that stretches and flexes with your wetsuit. It will hold up with constant pulling and motion and will last for years. Use it to repair tears, cover unraveling seams, or add durability to high wear areas like knees. Fix wetsuits fast with the Tenacious Tape Iron-On Neoprene Patch and keep using it for years.